Tigers, Panthera tigris, are the largest members of the cat family, Felidae, and are known for their iconic orange fur with black stripes. Each tiger's stripe pattern is unique, functioning much like a fingerprint for identification. Tigers are apex predators, primarily hunting large herbivores such as deer and wild boar. They are solitary, territorial animals with a range spanning dense forests, mangroves, and grasslands across Asia, though their historic range has shrunk significantly due to human activities. They are powerful swimmers, capable of crossing rivers and hunting in water, which is a trait uncommon among most big cats. Their robust build, muscular legs, and retractable claws make them exceptional hunters capable of bringing down prey larger than themselves. What sets tigers apart? 1. Striped coat. Unlike lions or leopards, tigers are the only big cats with stripes, which provide excellent camouflage in their natural habitats. 2. Swimming ability. Tigers are strong swimmers and frequently cool off or hunt in water. 3. Social structure. Tigers are solitary by nature, only coming together for mating or rearing cubs. This contrasts with lions, which live in prides. Types of tigers. There are 6 living subspecies of tigers: Bengal tiger, Siberian tiger, Indochinese tiger, Malayan tiger, South China tiger, and Sumatran tiger. Number 1. Bengal tiger, Panthera tigris. The Bengal tiger is one of the most iconic and majestic subspecies of tigers, native to the Indian subcontinent. It is the national animal of India and Bangladesh and is renowned for its power, grace, and distinctive orange coat with black stripes. Key features. 1. Size. Bengal tigers are among the largest tiger subspecies. Males can weigh between 220 to 300 kilograms, 485 to 660 pounds, and measure up to 3 meters, 10 feet, in total length, including the tail. Females are slightly smaller, weighing 100 to 160 kilograms, 220 to 350 pounds. 2. Appearance. They have a vibrant orange coat with black stripes and a white underbelly. No two tigers have the same stripe pattern, making them unique identifiers. 3. Habitat. Found in a variety of ecosystems, including grasslands, tropical and subtropical forests, mangroves, e.g., Sundarbans, and temperate forests in India, Nepal, Bhutan, and Bangladesh. For diet, they are apex predators, primarily feeding on large prey such as deer, wild boar, and buffalo. Occasionally, they hunt smaller animals or livestock. Behavior and social structure. Solitary nature. Bengal tigers are solitary animals, with males and females coming together only during mating. They are territorial, with males having larger territories that may overlap with those of several females. Nocturnal activity. They are primarily nocturnal, using stealth and power to ambush their prey. Swimming ability. Bengal tigers are strong swimmers, often cooling off in water bodies and even chasing prey in the water. Conservation status. The Bengal tiger is listed as endangered by the IUCN Red List due to habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. As of recent estimates, there are about 2,500 to 3,000 Bengal tigers left in the wild. India is home to the majority of the population and has implemented Project Tiger to protect and conserve this species. Cultural significance. The Bengal tiger holds significant cultural and religious value in the Indian subcontinent. It is a symbol of strength and bravery and features prominently in local folklore and mythology. Number 2. Amur, Siberian tiger, Panthera tigris altaica. The Amur tiger, also known as the Siberian tiger, is the largest and most robust subspecies of tiger. Native to the Russian Far East, northeastern China, and possibly North Korea, it is adapted to survive in cold, harsh climates. Key features. 1. Size. Males typically weigh 180 to 300 kilograms, 400 to 660 pounds, and measure up to 3.7 meters, 12 feet, in total length, including the tail. Females weigh 100 to 167 kilograms, 220 to 370 pounds, and are slightly shorter. 2. Appearance. Amur tigers have a thick, pale orange coat with fewer and more widely spaced dark stripes compared to other tiger subspecies. Their underbellies, chest, and inner legs are white. Their thick fur and a layer of fat beneath their skin help them endure cold temperatures. 3. Habitat. Found in boreal forests, temperate forests, and mountainous regions with snowy winters and dense vegetation. They primarily inhabit the Amur Halong region of Russia and China. 4. Diet. Amur tigers are apex predators, preying on large animals such as deer, wild boar, elk, and sometimes smaller mammals. They can travel long distances to find food. Behavior and adaptations. Territorial solitude. Amur tigers are solitary and territorial. They require large home ranges due to their dispersed prey. Adaptation to cold. They have several adaptations for their cold environment, including their thick coat, large size, reduces heat loss, and the ability to hunt in deep snow. Swimming skill. Like all tigers, they are excellent swimmers. Conservation status. IUCN status, endangered, with fewer than 600 individuals remaining in the wild. Threats. Habitat loss due to logging, deforestation, and infrastructure development. Poaching for their fur and body parts, used in traditional medicine. Prey depletion caused by overhunting of deer and boar. Conservation efforts. Protected areas in Russia and China, such as the Sikhotalin Biosphere Reserve. Anti-poaching initiatives and international bans on tiger products. Reforestation and efforts to ensure prey availability. Cultural significance. In Russia and East Asia, the Amur tiger symbolizes strength and resilience. It is often featured in local folklore and conservation campaigns. Number 3. Indochinese tiger, Panthera tigris corbeti. The Indochinese tiger, also known as Corbett's tiger, is a tiger subspecies native to Southeast Asia. It is smaller and less studied compared to other tiger subspecies but holds critical importance in the biodiversity of its range. Key features. 1. Size. Males weigh between 150 to 195 kilograms, 330 to 430 pounds, and measure up to 2.8 meters, 9 feet, in total length. Females, smaller, weighing 100 to 130 kilograms, 220 to 290 pounds. 2. Appearance. The coat is darker than that of the Bengal tiger, with narrow and closely spaced black stripes on an orange background. The underbelly is white. Their smaller size and leaner build help them adapt to the dense forests of Southeast Asia. 3. Habitat. Found in tropical and subtropical forests of Thailand, Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, and Myanmar. They prefer remote, hilly, and forested regions. Historically widespread, their range has significantly reduced due to habitat destruction and fragmentation. 4. Diet. Indochinese tigers primarily prey on medium to large-sized herbivores, including wild pigs, deer, and serow. In some regions, their prey base is severely depleted, forcing them to hunt livestock. Behavior. Solitary and elusive, these tigers are highly secretive and avoid human interaction. This elusive behavior makes studying them in the wild challenging. Territorial, like other tiger subspecies, they are solitary and territorial, marking their ranges to avoid conflicts. Nocturnal hunters, they hunt mainly at night, relying on their keen senses and stealth. Conservation status. IUCN status, endangered. Estimates suggest fewer than 350 individuals remain in the wild, and their population is declining. Major threats. Habitat loss, large-scale deforestation for agriculture, plantations, and infrastructure projects. Poaching, tigers are hunted for their skins and body parts, which are highly valued in traditional medicine. Prey depletion, overhunting of prey species by humans impacts their food availability. Conservation efforts. Protected reserves in Thailand, such as Hoi Ka Keng Wildlife Sanctuary, have become crucial habitats. Anti-poaching initiatives and monitoring using camera traps and genetic analysis. Cross-border conservation strategies between Southeast Asian nations. Cultural significance. The Indochinese tiger is revered in many Southeast Asian cultures, symbolizing power, protection, and mystery. It appears in folklore, art, and even modern conservation campaigns. Number 4. Malayan tiger, Panthera tigris jacksoni. The Malayan tiger is a tiger subspecies found exclusively in the Malay Peninsula. It is one of the smallest tiger subspecies and is a symbol of Malaysia's natural heritage, even serving as the country's national animal. Key features. 1. Size. Males typically weigh 100 to 120 kilograms, 220 to 265 pounds, and measure up to 2.6 meters, 8.5 feet, in length. Females, smaller, weighing 75 to 100 kilograms, 165 to 220 pounds. 2. Appearance. The Malayan tiger has a sleek, vibrant orange coat with closely spaced black stripes. Its stripe patterns are unique to each individual. Smaller in size compared to Bengal and Siberian tigers, likely an adaptation to its dense forest habitat. 3. Habitat. Found in tropical rainforests, mangroves, and dense lowland forests of peninsular Malaysia and southern Thailand. Historically widespread, its range is now fragmented due to habitat loss. 4. Diet. Primarily preys on deer, wild boar, and smaller mammals. In areas where prey is scarce, it may hunt livestock, leading to human-tiger conflict. Behavior. Solitary nature. Malayan tigers are solitary except during mating or when a mother is raising cubs. Territorial. They have defined territories that vary based on prey availability and habitat quality. Stealthy hunters. These tigers rely on their camouflage and stealth to ambush prey, usually during the night. Conservation status. IUCN status, critically endangered. Fewer than 150 individuals remain in the wild, making it one of the most endangered tiger subspecies. Major threats. Habitat loss. Rapid deforestation for agriculture, logging, and palm oil plantations has drastically reduced their habitat. Poaching. Tigers are killed for their body parts, which are used in traditional medicine and as trophies. Prey depletion. Overhunting of prey species further threatens their survival. Conservation efforts. Malaysia's National Tiger Conservation Action Plan focuses on protecting tiger habitats, preventing poaching, and restoring prey populations. Establishment of tiger reserves such as Taman Negara and Bilam Temengger Forest Complex. Awareness campaigns and partnerships with local communities to mitigate human-tiger conflicts. Cultural significance. The Malayan tiger is deeply woven into Malaysian identity, symbolizing courage and strength. It appears on the national emblem and various state logos. Conservation of this tiger is a priority for maintaining Malaysia's ecological and cultural heritage. Number 5. South China tiger, Panthera tigris amoyensis. The South China tiger is one of the smallest and most critically endangered tiger subspecies. Once native to southern and central China, it is now believed to be functionally extinct in the wild. The last confirmed sighting of a South China tiger in the wild occurred in the 1990s. It is often referred to as the Chinese tiger or Amoy tiger and holds cultural significance as a symbol of strength and courage in Chinese traditions. Physical characteristics. 1. Size. Smaller than most tiger subspecies. Males weigh 130 to 175 kilograms, 290 to 390 pounds, and measure 2.3 to 2.6 meters, 7.5 to 8.5 feet, in length, including the tail. Females are smaller, weighing 100 to 115 kilograms, 220 to 250 pounds, and measuring about 2.2 meters, 7 feet, in length. 2. Appearance. Bright orange coat with narrow, widely spaced black stripes. Shorter and stockier compared to other tigers. Behavior and habitat. Solitary nature. Like all tigers, they are solitary, except during mating or when mothers are raising cubs. Territory. South China tigers used to inhabit forests and grasslands across southern China but have lost their habitat to agriculture and urbanization. Diet. Carnivorous, feeding on deer, wild boar, and other herbivores when prey was available. Status and conservation. 1. Population. There are no verified South China tigers in the wild today, with only about 100 individuals remaining in captivity, primarily in Chinese zoos. 2. Conservation challenges. Habitat destruction from agricultural expansion and urban development. Poaching and human-wildlife conflict. Limited genetic diversity due to the small captive population. 3. Efforts. Captive breeding. Programs focus on breeding healthy populations in captivity to eventually reintroduce them into the wild. Rewilding. Experimental efforts, such as relocating some individuals to South Africa for rewilding, aim to prepare tigers for survival in natural environments. Cultural and historical importance. The South China tiger is considered a national treasure in China and is often depicted in Chinese art and folklore as a guardian spirit and a symbol of bravery. Despite its precarious status, it remains a source of national pride and inspiration for conservation efforts. Number 6. Sumatran tiger, Panthera tigris sumatri. The Sumatran tiger is the smallest surviving tiger subspecies and is found only on the Indonesian island of Sumatra. It is critically endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. Its size, appearance, and behavior have adapted to the dense tropical forests of Sumatra, making it distinct from other tiger subspecies. Physical characteristics. 1. Size. Males, 100 to 140 kilograms, 220 to 310 pounds, and about 2.4 meters, 7.8 feet, long. Females, 75 to 110 kilograms, 165 to 243 pounds, and about 2.2 meters, 7.2 feet, long. 2. Appearance. Darker orange coat with closely spaced black stripes. Long whiskers and mane-like fur around the face. Stripes on Sumatran tigers are thinner compared to other subspecies, aiding in camouflage. Behavior and habitat. 1. Habitat. Found in lowland forests, peat swamps, and mountain forests of Sumatra. Requires large territories to roam and hunt. 2. Diet. Carnivorous, feeding on deer, wild boar, and smaller animals like monkeys. Stealthy hunters that rely on their keen sense of sight and hearing. 3. Behavior. Solitary animals, except during mating or when mothers are raising cubs. Territorial, with males maintaining larger ranges that overlap with several females. Strong swimmers, capable of crossing rivers to hunt. Conservation status. 1. Population. Approximately 400 to 600 individuals remain in the wild, making it critically endangered. Genetic studies indicate it is the most distinct tiger subspecies, making conservation even more crucial. 2. Threats. Habitat destruction due to palm oil plantations and agriculture. Poaching for skins, bones, and other body parts used in traditional medicine. Human-wildlife conflict as tigers are driven into human settlements. 3. Conservation efforts. Protected under Indonesian law. Conservation programs focus on protecting habitats, reducing human-tiger conflict, and stopping poaching. Captive breeding programs aim to maintain genetic diversity. The Animal Facts National Zoo. Unique features. Size adaptation. Its smaller size allows it to navigate through dense vegetation more easily than other tiger subspecies. Conservation importance. Its survival is critical for maintaining the biodiversity of Sumatra, as it serves as an apex predator in its ecosystem. Sumatran tigers symbolize the urgency of global conservation efforts, with a focus on preventing the loss of one of the most genetically distinct tiger subspecies.